bang merong season ng buhay mo na hindi ka dinadagdagan ni Lord? In fact, may times na tinatanggalan ka niya. Tinatanggalan ka niya ng tao, ng opportunities, ng mga bagay na akala mo stable, pero biglang magko-collapse. And He's doing it because of the pruning season. Just like sa mga flowers or plants, merong mga kailangan alisin na weeds or hindi na okay na plants para sa pagtubo niya, healthy siya, stronger siya, and better. So I realize is that there will be times that God will remove something in our heart, may it be heart's desires or things, people we've been attached to. Kasi hindi yun yung ikakabuti sa atin. And masakit yun, masakit matanggalan, lalo na kapag na-attach ka na dun. And it never feels good. You'll cry, you'll question, and you'll feel empty. Pero one day, you'll see, God wasn't taking from you. He was clearing space for you. Kasi meron pang darating na mas better sa inaakala mo.